there, teachers and parents and students. I have a little tip for you today to help with your emerging readers, just to help them if they need a little bit of backup. So today I'm going to go down here to my bottom left-hand corner. That's my launcher. And I'm going to look for the web store. And my web store pops right up. But if yours doesn't, we're going to click on that up arrow. And I have lots of apps on page 1. And if I click the second dot, I have lots of apps on page 2. And that's where my web store is also. So I'm going to go to the web store and I'm going to search for Speakit, which is an extension, and hit the enter button. And I'm going to pick this very top one. I know that it has almost 4 stars, which means people like it. If I double click on it, I see there's over 50,000 users, so it must be a good one. I'm going to add to Chrome. It's going to ask you some permission, and I'm going to tell you to say yes by adding extension. And now you can see I have this little guy up here that says Speakit. I'm going to close out of that box. And now whenever I'm on a website or anything in Google, I can highlight my text. So I can either choose to click and drag a sentence, or maybe I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, fast, triple click, and it gets the whole paragraph. Once my text is highlighted, I can go up to this little guy here. And it says Speakit. I can choose my language. I can use all sorts of stuff. Everything's good to go. So I did that wrong. Let's triple click. And then when I right click and I click on Speakit here.
The MLSD is working hard to provide parents with necessary resources to help your students be successful in the implementation of remote learning. Please click.
If I click that guy, he'll stop it. If I go to a Google Classroom, and I need to see what the directions are my teacher's giving me. Again, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, right click, and Speakit.
Please create a new Google Doc and write a 1-paragraph summary of the video you just watched.
Let's see what this says. Triple click, and, 1, 2, 3, and then right click. And remember, right click is that peace sign like this on your Chromebook. Again,
the create button is right below. Just select Doc.
And what if I were on a website? Here is Sports Illustrated for Kids. Here is an article. If maybe I just need to know what this word is, I can just highlight that word, right click, and Speakit.
Against.
There we go. So there's some more big words. I can click and drag, then right click and Speakit.
Indisputable science.
So hopefully you can install Speakit on your Chromebook too.